Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. From this video, we are going to start to build a note application. It will be a simple note application based on MVVM architecture and will look something like this. On the first screen, all the users' notes will be displayed, and when we click on a specific note, we are navigated back to the edit node screen, and there we can edit our note and just click the back button to save it. And all the users nodes are sorted by their last modified timestamp. So let us say if we edit this node, then we can see this node goes to the top like this. And to add a node, we can click on this plus button and we can add something to the title and description, and we can see our node has been added. So firstly, let us discuss the project structure so that you can get a basic overview of how our project will look like. So our project will contain two fragments. The first will be nodes fragment, and inside of nodes fragment we will display all the users nodes. The second one will be add edit node fragment, and inside of it we will add or edit nodes. Then comes the node view model. In this project we will share a single view model with both of our fragments. View model is basically a class which contains all the business logic for our views. It does all the required calculations and gives the output to the views so that the user can see it. Now usually we have separate view model for every fragment in our project, but since this is a relatively smaller and simpler project and we have only a few functions in our view model, so we can share it with both of our fragments. Then comes the node repository. So repository is basically an abstraction layer between our data sources and our view model, so that the view model doesn't have to care about from where the data is coming, and we can access all the data sources using just the instance of our repository. Now comes the data sources. Data sources can be local or remote. Remote data source includes APIs and remote databases, and local data source includes SQLite and Room database. We do not have a remote data source in our Note application. So guys, that's it for our project structure, and I've already created an empty project with all the necessary dependencies in it. You can get these dependencies from my GitHub repository, and the link to which is in the description below. We can go through these dependencies once. These are for Room database, and these dependencies are for coroutine support for Room. These are for the navigation components, and these for the dagger hilt. I've also enabled view binding and added all the necessary plugins. The first one is for Kotlin Capt, and this one here is for Navax, and this plugin is for Dagger Hilt, and Kotlin Partialize plugin is for the partialize annotation. I have also added class paths required for Navax and Dagger Hilt. So guys, that's it for this video, and in the upcoming video we will get started with the coding part, which will be a lot more interesting. And if you like this video, then hit that like button below, and if not, then tell me in the comment section below how can I improve. Thank you.